What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. We are at Chad's shop. As you can tell, a lot's going on. But today we are going to be doing the flip shackle lift kit for the 79. We have Jimmy here. You guys haven't seen him in a while, but he just got the big, girthy, meaty 14 wides off. I mean, look at it compared to my hand, like hand all the way spread apart. But what we're going to be doing is I'll probably be taking a lot of pictures in this video just so you guys can see it, because there's going to be a lot of cutting and stuff, and with the camera I just don't want to screw up my lens. But what we did is we got big old jack stands underneath of the frame back here. We got the tires off of the truck. So let me pull out my camera here so you guys can, or my flashlight, so you guys can see it better. But here on the shackle, these 4 rivets, will be cutting those off and putting the flip shackle kit on. So basically how it works is we'll take this bottom bolt out here, flip the shackle upwards, come in, cut these off, and then take a chisel and chisel them off. This whole bracket will come off. The new bracket will bolt on. It was provided by ARW Fabrication. All his information is down in the description. But we'll be taking this piece here, the actual shackle, flipping it up, which causes the spring to be pushed down, which gives you the 4-inch lift in the rear. So like I said, we'll be taking a lot of pictures when we're cutting and stuff, so you guys can see it. But yeah, we'll get to it so you guys can see it.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Okay guys, so as you can tell, here's the new flip shackle bracket. We got it all mounted up in here, nice. Basically, here's your old one, and where those 4 bolts go through the frame, there's rivets here. So you can tell we cut them and took the chisel and chiseled them all off. A little time consuming. We've probably been at it for 5 hours straight, but this truck has sat outside for the last 7 years. So I mean, it's been pretty rusty, but we got the new one on. And then basically how this system works is to where this one bolted up here, and then there is obviously your axle is going to be up higher because it's down on jack stands right now. But basically how this old system worked is this shackle mounted down here. The new system, you take this shackle and flip it, and the bottom becomes the top, and it causes it to be pushed down, causing the bed and frame to go up, which gives you the 4-inch lift. So what I'm gonna do is hopefully I can get this bolt out, and then I'm gonna press these old bushings and sleeves out, put new ones in, so then we don't have to worry about that. And then we'll flip it and then slide our bolt through, and then we'll go from there. So it's pretty easy, guys. Hopefully you, from this how-to video, you can kind of do it yourself. So I mean, it's a little time consuming, but you guys can do it. So stay tuned.